Hello everyone, I'm Swati, your maths teacher. I'm here with my next video, that is video lesson number 7 on the chapter fraction. Before going to start today's lesson, first you match your answer of the previous assignment. The first question is 6 bottles of oil contain 4 whole 1 by 5 liter, 3 whole 1 by 4 liter, 3 liter, 6 whole 1 by 2 liter, 7 liter and 5 whole 1 by 3 liter of oil respectively. These bottles are emptied in an empty can. How much oil is there in the can? What you have to do, you have to just add all the fractional numbers here and you get the answer, that is 29 whole 17 by 60 liters. Okay. The second question is what should be added to 12 whole 2 by 15 to get 18 whole 9 by 25. What you do here, you subtract this number from the result this and you get the answer 6 whole 17 by 75. Third question, a piece of rope 10 meter long is cut into 3 pieces. If the length of 2 pieces is 4 whole 1 by 2 meter and 3 whole 1 by 5 meter respectively, then find the length of the third piece. The original length of the rope is 10 meter and this rope is divided into 3 pieces and the length of first piece is 4 whole 1 by 2 meter, second piece is 3 whole 1 by 5 meter. You have to find out the length of third piece. So what you do? You first add the length of first piece and the second piece and then subtract it from the original length of the rope and you get the length of third piece is equal to 2 whole 3 by 10 meter. Fourth is what should be added to 12 whole 4 by 5 to get 15 whole 2 by 3 and your answer is 2 whole 13 by 15. The last question, simplify 4 whole 1 by 3 plus 3 whole 2 by 3 minus 1 by 8 plus 2 whole 3 by 8 minus 1 whole 5 by 8 and your answer is 8 whole 5 by 8. Now student, today we are going to learn how we multiply fraction, that is multiplication of fraction. In that, first we learn multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. It means how we multiply a fraction and a whole number. To multiply a proper or an improper fraction by a whole number, multiply the numerator with the whole number and keep the denominator same. What we have to do? We have to multiply the numerator with the whole number and keep the denominator same. Here we have some example. The first example is 3 by 5 into 4. We have to multiply this fraction with this whole number. So what we do? We just multiply the numerator with the whole number and keep the denominator same. We get 3 into 4, that is 12 by 5. Again we can change it into mixed fraction and we get 2 whole 2 by 5. This is our final answer. Next is 11 by 7 into 6. What we do? Again we multiply the numerator with the whole number and keep the denominator same. 11 into 6, that is 66 and 7. Now 7 we can change it into mixed fraction as well. So 9 7 ja 63 plus 3 66 by 7. Next is 7 whole 2 by 3 into 8. This is mixed fraction. So first we have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then we multiply. 7 3 ja 21 plus 2. This is 23 by 3 into 8. Now this is 23 into 8 by 3. 8 3 ja 24. Carry 2. 8 2 ja 16 plus 2. 18 by 3. Now you can change it into mixed fraction as well. Okay. The fourth question is 2 by 3 into 9. So 2 into 9 by 3. 2 into 9 we get 18 by 3. Now 3 6 ja 18. So our final answer is 6. 5 into 8. The next is 5 by 6 into 8. So we just multiply the numerator with the whole number 5 into 8 by 6. You can cancel out here also, that is 2 3 ja 6 and 2 4 ja 8. It becomes 5 into 4 by 3. 5 4 ja 20 by 3. Again you can change it into mixed fraction. Next is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. It means how we multiply a fraction with a fraction. Product of fraction, it means multiplication of fraction is equal to product of numerator divided by product of denominator. It means we multiply the numerator and the denominator separately. If a by b into c by d, we have two fractions here. First is a by b and the second one is c by d. We have to multiply these two fractions. So what we do? We just multiply the numerator, that is a into c, by b into d, that is product of denominator. This is product of numerator and this is product of denominator. Here we have some examples. The first example is 3 by 8 multiplied with 3 by 5. So what we do? We just multiply the numerator, that is 3 into 3, and the denominator 8 into 5. 3 into 3, it becomes 9, and 8 into 5, it becomes 40. So our result is 9 by 40. Next is 3 whole 1 by 2 into 5 by 9. So what we do first, student? Yes, we change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 2 ja 6 plus 1. It becomes 7 by 2 into 5 by 9. Now 7 5 ja 35 and 2 into 9, that is 18. The third is 4 whole 2 by 3 into 9 by 7. Again we change it into improper fraction and it becomes 4 3 ja 12 plus 2, that is 14 by 3 into 9 by 7. Now you can cancel out here also, that is 7 2 ja 14 and 3 3 ja 9. 2 into 3 and we get the answer 6. Okay. You can cancel out only in the case of multiplication, not in addition or subtraction. You can cancel out only in case of multiplication. And you are not supposed to cancel out denominator from the denominator. You have to cancel out denominator from the numerator and the numerator from the denominator. Okay. Next is fraction as an operator of. Here you are saying that we have two circles and half of both the circles are shaded. Half and half. And when we combine it, we get a full circle. Full circle, that is shaded. It means here we have two half shaded circle. Two half shaded circle. 2 of half shaded circle. Student, of means multiply. Of stand for multiplication. So 2 into half shaded. Half shaded, 2 into 2. 2 and 2 cancel. We get here 1. 1 full shaded circle. Okay. Again here we have 2 of half shaded circle. 2 of half shaded circle, it means 2 multiplied with half and we get 1 full shaded circle when we combine it two. Okay. It means of represent multiplication. Student, everywhere in mathematics of, the operator of represent multiplication. Now we are going to solve some question based on the operator of. Okay. The first question is 1 by 2 of 94. 1 by 2 of 94. Of represent multiplication. So we can write it as 1 by 2 into 94. So 94 into 1, 94 by 2. Now you can cancel out 2 4 ja 8 and 2 7 ja 14 and we get the answer 47. It means half of 94 is equal to 47. Next is 4 by 5 of 75. It means 4 by 5 of 75. Clear? Now you can cancel out from here also 5, 15, 5 ja 75 and you get 4 into 15, that is 60. So 4 by 5 of 75 is equal to 60. Student, please pay attention, that is of represent multiplication. Okay, half of 5 whole 5 by 7, it means half multiplied with 7 5 ja 35, 35 plus 5, 40 by 7. Now you can cancel out the denominator from the numerator. So 220 ja 40, 20 by 7. The last example, 3 by 8 of 5 whole 4 by 9. 3 by 8 again of represent multiplication. 9 5 ja 45, 45 plus 4, 49 by 9. 3 3 ja 9, it becomes 49 by 8 3 ja 24. Okay, so 3 by 8 of 5 whole 4 by 9 is equal to 49 by 24. Student, here we are going to solve one question, that is simplify the expression. We have here one expression, we have to simplify this expression. 1 whole 1 by 2 multiplied with 3 whole 1 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 1 into 2. What we do first? First we change all the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 1 ja 2 plus 1, it becomes 3 by 2 into 3 3 ja 9 plus 1, 10 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 2. So we multiply the numerator 3 into 10 into 3 into 2 by 2 into 3 into 4. Now student, you can multiply both separately and get the answer, or you can cancel out from here like this. 2 and 2 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel. Now 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10 and you get 5 into 3 by 2 and your final answer is 15 by 2. Now you can convert it into mixed fraction as well. 7 whole 1 by 2. This is your answer. Okay. Now note down your homework. First question is multiply the following and some sub questions are given. Next is simplify the following. Again sub questions are given. That's all for today. Take care. Have a nice day and complete your homework. Thank you.